In New Jersey, some good news today for commuters who rely on New Jersey Transit trains. The new Portal North Bridge under construction is now halfway done. The rail crossing will eventually replace the current 114-year-old bridge that constantly causes trouble along the busiest rail corridor in the country for New Jersey Transit and Amtrak customers. New Jersey reporter Anthony Johnson live in Secaucus with more. Anthony.
Yeah, as we speak, I can hear a train right now going over the old Portal Bridge off in the distance. But we want to show you off in the distance once again. You see the orange guardrails. That is the new Portal Bridge. If you were standing in this location in Secaucus about 2 years ago, you would not have seen this site. That's how quickly they are working on this bridge. And the good news, this bridge is being built on time and on budget. This is called the most significant infrastructure project in the nation, and it's making good progress. Workers are installing the rail bed for the new Portal North Bridge. The project began in August of 2022, and it's now halfway complete.
There's a myth that you can't do big projects, mega projects, in the Northeast region on time and budget. They're always years delayed and billions over, and we are proving that wrong here with this project.
The current Portal Bridge is 114 years old. And the swing bridge has been the scene of multiple malfunctions. A New Jersey Transit or Amtrak train runs over the bridge every 3 minutes, making this the busiest rail corridor in the nation.
New Jersey's own Bon Jovi sang about being halfway there. But we're not living on any prayer. The bridge is a reality.
This job is being done by some 400 daily construction workers and is moving the Gateway project forward.
Too many occasions it just becomes impossible when you can't count on reliable service. So this is truly a momentous occasion.
Passengers can see the progress from the current rail line. The new bridge sits higher and will be able to carry more passengers and trains. Those in attendance to today's milestone were praising the Biden administration's infrastructure legislation for moving this project closer to becoming a reality.
Our expectation is that we are going to, within the course of this year, initiate some other very major milestones on moving forward the Gateway program, the Hudson Tunnel program in particular.
Yeah, this Portal project, of course, is part of that Gateway program. The old Portal Bridge opened when William Howard Taft was President of the United States. The new Portal Bridge is expected to open in 2026. That is the latest live from Secaucus, New Jersey. Anthony Johnson.